little explorers! It's Lucy! Today, we will take a special trip to 4 dinosaur lands. There is a green forest, a bright red valley, a wide grassland, and a mysterious ancient swamp. Each place has amazing dinosaurs and ancient creatures waiting for us. Have you packed your explorer backpack? If you are ready, let's begin the journey with Luccy. Prepare your materials and let's start creating. First, on the right side of the model, we spread green sand. This land will become a cool ancient forest. Then, we place a row of small pebbles to make the border. Next, on the left side of the model, we spread red sand. This land will become the bright red valley. We continue using pebbles to separate the area. Then we spread yellow sand. This bright sand will become a wide grassland. We add another pebble border to finish this land. Finally, we spread blue sand. This land will become the mysterious ancient swamp. Now let's go back to the green sand area. We place a mysterious stone cave in the center. Around it, we add stone steps, tall prehistoric trees, and green bushes. Next is the red valley. We place rough stone platforms, then add trees and plants. The scene will look strong, wild, and ancient. In the yellow sand area, we add low bushes, small grass patches, some rocks, and cactus plants. The grassland will look wide and lively. Finally, we decorate the ancient swamp. We add blue water areas, ancient plants, low bushes, and small rocks. The scene looks mysterious, like it is hiding many prehistoric secrets. Ta-da! Our wonderful dinosaur world is ready! Let's explore! Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus was one of the tallest dinosaurs on Earth. Its long neck helped it eat leaves from tall trees. Even though it was huge, Brachiosaurus only ate plants. Carnotaurus. Carnotaurus was a fast, meat-eating dinosaur. It had 2 small horns above its eyes. Its strong legs helped it run after prey. Microraptor. Microraptor was a small feathered dinosaur. It had long feathers on both its arms and legs. Microraptor could glide from tree to tree. Quetzalcoatlus. Quetzalcoatlus was a giant flying reptile. Its wingspan was very wide. It was one of the largest flying creatures ever. Oviraptor. Oviraptor was a small and smart dinosaur. It had a hard beak like a bird. Scientists later found that it may have cared for its nest and babies. Cryolophosaurus. Cryolophosaurus lived in colder lands. It had a large crest on its head. It was a meat-eating dinosaur with sharp teeth. Pachycephalosaurus. Pachycephalosaurus was famous for its thick, hard head. It walked on two back legs. It mainly ate plants, fruits, and seeds. Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus had large plates on its back. Its tail had sharp spikes for protection. Stegosaurus was a plant-eating dinosaur. Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus was one of the largest meat-eating dinosaurs. It had a big sail on its back. It could hunt fish and swim very well. Dilophosaurus. Dilophosaurus had two special crests on its head. It was a fast hunter. The crests may have helped it recognize others of its kind. Concavinator. Concavinator was a medium-sized meat-eating dinosaur. It had a small special hump on its back. It had strong legs and many sharp teeth. Theropod. Theropod is a group of meat-eating dinosaurs. Most of them walked on two back legs. Some small theropods are considered ancestors of modern birds. Parasaurolophus. Parasaurolophus had a long curved crest behind its head. The crest could help make loud sounds. It was a plant eater and often lived in herds. Pachycephalosaurs were dinosaurs with thick heads. They walked on two legs and could run quite fast. Their hard heads helped protect them. Triceratops. Triceratops had 3 large horns on its head. Its neck was protected by a wide bony frill. It is one of the most famous dinosaurs in the world. Dimetrodon? Dimetrodon was not a true dinosaur. It lived long before the age of dinosaurs. It had a large sail on its back that may have helped control body temperature. Sauropelta was a dinosaur with natural armor. It had many sharp spikes on its back and neck. Its armor helped protect it from predators. Mosasaurus was a giant marine reptile. It lived completely underwater. Its sharp teeth helped it catch fish and other sea creatures. Therizinosaurus was famous for its giant long claws. Although it looked scary, it mostly ate plants. It was one of the strangest dinosaurs ever found. Spinosaurus had a large sail that was easy to recognize. It often lived near rivers, lakes, and swamps. Its size may have been even larger than T-Rex. Our special trip to 4 dinosaur lands is now over. Together, we explored the green forest, the red valley, the wide grassland, and the mysterious ancient swamp. Thank you for joining Luccy today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more new adventures. Goodbye, and see you again.